Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Pink and Main just released a special Crafty Christmas box. This is not part of their monthly subscriptions and can be purchased individually. It is so much fun and packed with all kinds of crafty goodies. So let me go ahead and show you everything that's included. So there's always a little information card, explains everything that's included and the general theme of the kit. So this is Be Merry. There's an 8.5 by 11 zippered pouch, and then also your stack of cardstock. So I'll go through the cardstock first. There are 2 sheets of the white ice rink cardstock, and this is 110-pound paper, so it's a nice heavyweight cardstock. And then these are just such fun colors. There's a light blue, there's this bright pink, then there's a little darker blue, kind of on the teal side, not quite. There's a red with some pre-embossed little circles on there, little dots. And then there's this bright green. And then this time there are 2 half sheets of glitter paper. So there's red and there's a green. And this is a nice heavyweight paper and it doesn't shed. And then next is the 6x6 paper pad called Be Merry. And I love this paper pad. It's so cheerful, perfect for the holidays. There's 24 sheets, double-sided papers. You'll get 2 of every design, and these are just bright and fun. With some of the non-traditional Christmas colors in here, this paper collection could still work for other card themes. It wouldn't necessarily have to be Christmas. Some of them would just be great for winter, but there's that red paper with the stars, the blue paper with the stars. You could do 4th of July cards with that. So it's really a versatile paper collection. And next up is the stamp set, and this is definitely very Christmassy. So there's some fun images you can color and then some great holiday sentiments. I love the font used on these sentiments. So that's going to be a lot of fun to use. And then next up are 6 tags, and there's 2 of each style. So there's 2 in a solid red, 2 in white with a red chevron, and then 2 of them have a gold glitter on the bottom. So those are really pretty. And then there is a sheet of star bling, 2 different sizes. So you're going to be able to have a lot of sparkle on your cards. And then next there is a full sheet of pink glitter rhinestones. I mean, look at all that sparkle. These are so beautiful, and I love that they're pink instead of just traditional Christmas colors. There's also a spool of glitter ribbon. So this again has lots of sparkle. There's red and white in there. And for the most part, this also seems like a no shed. I think if you cut it, you might get a few little flakes coming off. And then there's also an embossing folder included. So this has presents, gifts all over it, and this could be used all year round, since you could do this for birthday gifts as well. And then there is a pack of little poinsettias. There's 5 of them. So you'll get 2 in white, 2 in red, and then 1 in green. And they have like the little wire so you can attach those to your cards on the back side there. So really pretty, just little layered flowers. And then next there is a package of glitter buttons. Now this glitter is all sealed in, so this isn't going to make a mess at all. It's these beautiful, cheerful Christmas colors with that added blue in there as well. So again, coordinates just perfectly with the paper collection. And then next there is a set of wood pieces. So these are unfinished. And they're so easy to decorate. You can use ink on them, you can actually heat emboss them, you can use some spritzes, some paints. There's so many options to decorate, or you could just add them to your card as is, because that natural wood looks really nice on a card as well. you'll receive a total of 9 different images. And then next up is the custom sequin mix, and this is beautiful. It has some of these larger holly leaves in there, along with reds and gold and the little white stars or sparkly stars. And then every subscription box, Pink and Main includes a little 1-inch flare collectible button, but this time it's a larger one, so it's like a little over 2 inches, and it's just perfect. It's Be Merry, nice and cheerful. And then all of Pink and Main's kits include 4 A2 size white envelopes. So that is everything that is included in Pink and Main's Crafty Christmas 2019 box. This is not a subscription box. This is a one-time purchase kit, and I love this. This is so much fun, very cheerful for the holidays. So I do have a link in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this. And coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this kit. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.